What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to backup Outlook emails. So let's get started. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Outlook or Outlook email. And then you will be directly welcome to the homepage of Outlook email. But make sure guys that you have logged in with your email and password on Outlook. Now, after coming here on the right side, as you can see the option of settings icon, click on this settings icon and under that on the left side click on general. After coming to general you have the section of privacy and data. Click on this and after clicking here you just simply have to click export mailbox. By clicking on this will start the backup of all the mails that you have stored. This may take some time according to the mails that you have stored and the mails that you want to back up. The time will be according to the mails. So this is how you can back up Outlook emails. And that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.